This is a brief tutorial of the web client. In order to access DEMS 360, a user will need to enter their username and password. They will then be presented with their most recently uploaded videos, along with a thumbnail and information about the video, such as date and time. To find an older video or footage captured by another person, the user can click the Advanced button and use a number of filters including date, time, camera ID and user. The free text search box can also be used by inputting text that has previously been assigned to a video. To play the video, a user simply needs to click on the thumbnail. The user will be shown the video along with information about the file, such as recorded date and length. The user can review the video by clicking the play button. It can be viewed in full screen by clicking the full screen button. Pressing escape will exit from full screen. Information can be stored about the video by pressing the edit button. The user can then enter an incident ID and notes, which are searchable as explained earlier. Select a retention policy for important footage and cloak sensitive footage. To take a still image from a video, the user simply needs to navigate to the relevant section and click the camera icon. The user can then add details about the image and save it within DEMS. Clips can be created by navigating to the relevant section of the video and pressing the open bracket icon and the close bracket icon. Followed by the add icon to create a new clip. The user can then enter data about the clip and save it within DEMS. A video can be burned to a DVD by clicking the metadata icon and selecting Burn Disk from the drop-down list. An ISO file will be created that can be downloaded and burned from within Windows. The video can be downloaded outside of DEMS by selecting the metadata icon and selecting Download. This video has outlined the basic features available within DEMS. Please refer to Reveal's manuals and training guides to learn more about the many other features.